Finally, let's explore prompt engineering. Now, specifying Martin Keen, who works at IBM, versus Martin Keen, who founded Keen Shoes, that's prompt engineering, but at its most basic. Prompt engineering goes far beyond simple clarification. So let's think about when we input a prompt, the model receives this prompt and it processes it through a series of layers. And these layers are essentially attention mechanisms, and each one focuses on different aspects of your prompt text that came in. And by including specific elements in your prompt, so examples or context or how you want the format to look, you're directing the model's attention to relevant patterns it learned during training. So, for example, telling a model to think about this step by step, that activates patterns it learned from training data where methodical reasoning led to accurate results. So a well-engineered prompt can transform a model's output without any additional training or without data retrieval. So take an example of a prompt. Let's say we say, is this code secure? Not a very good prompt. An engineered prompt, it might read a bit more like this. It's much more detailed. Now, we haven't changed the model. We haven't added new data. We've just better activated its existing capabilities. Now, I think the benefits to this are pretty obvious. One is that we don't need to change any of our back-end infrastructure here because there are no infrastructure changes at all in order to prompt better. It's all on the user. There's also the benefit that by doing this, you get to see immediate responses and immediate results to what you do. We don't have to add in new training data or any kind of data processing. But of course, there are some limitations to this as well. Prompt engineering is as much an art as it is a science. So there is certainly a good amount of trial and error in this sort of process to find effective prompts. And you're also limited in what you can do here. You're limited to existing knowledge because you're not able to actually add anything else in here. No additional amount of prompt engineering is going to teach it truly new information. You're not going to teach the model anything that's outdated in the model.